Welcome to another Device 42 highlights video. This one will be covering the 18.10.00 release of Device 42. So in this video we're going to focus on these two primary features in this release, the Azure Summary Discovery and a new dashboard called the Executive Summary. So back in 1808 we introduced the concept of the Extended Summary Discovery for AWS. And now we are bringing that same capability in 1810 to your Azure accounts. So essentially what a summary discovery is for all of those cloud resource types that we don't support as part of our primary discovery. So our main discovery will catch all in Azure VMs and functions and databases and so forth. There's a host of other resources that we don't directly support. But for a lot of our customers, they still want to have an inventory of those things. So the summary discovery essentially fills that gap. It brings in an inventory, creates a resource record for every single cloud resource that you have deployed in your account. Now the information with those resource records is limited compared to our primary discovery capabilities. So you'll get metadata provided by the cloud provider. Things like tags and owner and some minimal attributes. But again, they have a lot of value in that it'll give you a complete picture of all of the things that you have deployed out there. So to show you how to configure this, I'm going to go to Cloud Discovery and add a new Cloud Auto Discovery record. Just type in a test name here and select Microsoft Azure as the type. So now if I scroll about halfway down, there's an option there that says Extended Summary Discovery. All you have to do is check that box. And now in addition to those primary records that it will discover, it will also bring in all of those summary records as well. So you will have an inventory of absolutely everything. So next up we have our new Executive Summary Dashboard. And really the purpose of this dashboard is to give whether it's executives or infrastructure managers or whoever may be interested in a view of the overall infrastructure as discovered by Device 42. So to really get a nice clean picture of absolutely everything that you have deployed, where it is located, the type it is, and so forth. So to get there, go into the folder called Fundamental, select the Executive Summary, and this report has 4 separate tags. So in the Overview tab, the primary diagram here really just shows the net change by month of your both on-prem as well as your cloud infrastructure. So again, this is giving you a high-level view of where do you have things deployed. Potentially you are going through a migration to the cloud. You want to see your on-prem resources go down and your cloud resources going up and so forth. So again, over time, a nice picture of that. The next one is by location. So again, both in the cloud and on-prem. So for cloud, it's by provider, account, and region, which things are deployed there. And then when I get down to the on-prem records, it's building, rooms, racks, and how many devices are deployed in each of those areas. Over on the right, you see a summary of your deployments by cloud provider and your on-prem deployments by the physical geographical location. The next one up is by types. This is just giving you a high-level view of the top hardware models you have out there, the top operating systems, the types of both physical on-prem objects you have as well as the cloud resource types. And then the last one is business apps. So this is showing you all of the business apps you're tracking in Device 42 and more importantly where they are deployed. So you may have cases where you have on-prem business applications, cloud-based business applications, then even in some cases a hybrid business application that makes up or consists of devices that are both on-prem and in the cloud. So those are the 2 features we're going to cover in detail in the video today. As you can see here, there are a number of other features that were in this release. So I'd encourage you to go to our website and go to the blog and look at the release notes for 18.10. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope this was valuable to you. As always, look out for additional highlights videos for upcoming releases. Until next time, thank you.